Hey, we just took delivery of the iPad keyboard dock. It's a keyboard and a dock, as you might expect. It's your standard Apple quality keyboard. I really like it. And man, it is a heavy beast. It's got just that one pad on the bottom. There's a ton of weight. It's your standard iPad dock. It's got the connector and the line out. But man, traveling with this thing, I don't know. Not only does it have the big flippy thing sticking out of the top, which can't fold down, it's also just plain heavy. I think the reason they make it so heavy is so that unlike the standard iPad dock, you can just set an iPad in it and take it out without having to worry about it lifting up or sticking into the dock. So that's convenient, but not convenient sticking it in a gear bag. So there you go. The magic has just happened. We set an iPad in the dock. We'll pan up a little bit here so you can get both in the shot. And as I said, you can just lift it right out and the keyboard dock stays. And it only works in portrait mode, obviously. And that's it. That's the whole story there. It's a good keyboard, easy to type on. If you've never used an Apple keyboard before, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Does have a few extra features. You can let's get the cursor down here so you can see it. In addition to typing, and I am pretty good at typing, I guess. You can select text using the Shift key, which is pretty neat. So you can use the left and right arrows to just do it that way. You can also use the up and down arrows to select text, select entire lines. And of course, Command V, Command C, Command X works for copy and paste and cut and so on as well. So works pretty well as a standard keyboard for typing. There are also some specialty keys here. You've got a home key, a search key goes to spotlight. You've got a brightness adjustment. You can adjust brightness anywhere. You've got the photo key, which will take you to the slideshow. You've got a keyboard key to show or hide the iPad's on-screen keyboard if for some reason you don't want to go hunting for a symbol or something on the regular keyboard. You've got iPod controls for controlling music. You've got volume and a lock screen, which just turns the screen off immediately, just bang. And it's also pretty convenient because when you've got the iPad, watch the keyboard disappear here, boom, you can hit any button on the keyboard to just immediately turn the iPad on. Of course, if you've got it locked with a password, you'll probably have to punch in the password. But it makes it a lot easier to just sit down. You don't have to do the slide to unlock. You just go to town. So there you go. Not the most exciting video I've ever done, but then again, it's not the most exciting product you've ever seen. It's a keyboard. It works with the iPad. It's really heavy and therefore not awesome for travel, but great for sitting on your desk.